Hey guys, I know it's been a while before I can get out this laundry motivational video to you. So grab your coffee, your soda, or your tea and sit back and enjoy. Good morning. It is about 7 o'clock on what's today? The 16th, October the 16th, on a Thursday morning. We're finally able to pick up a Poplin laundry order. So that's where I'm on my way to pick up the laundry order. I told her I'd be there by 7:15. That way I can be to work on time by 8. So come along with me, guys, while we go pick up. I believe it says it's 5 regular size bags. We'll see when we get there. Let's go.
It's always been you, Jesus. It's always been you, Emmanuel. Who gave me this courage? What torch lights my feet? It's always been you, Jesus. It's always been you, Emmanuel. Who brings life to the morning? What flame lights my way home? It's always been you, Jesus. It's always been you, Emmanuel.
Laundry has been picked up, and this is the first time I was able to actually meet who lives in this home. I never was able to meet them before, but it's a young black lady that lives in that house. I told her she is really up in the cut. I mean, she's behind the woods, but it's a nice home when you get up in there. They have a nice pool back there. But yeah, I was telling her that she is really hitting up there. But anyway, guys, we're on our way.
Turn left.
On
Head
our way.
northeast
Come
on
on,
Woodland
GPS.
Drive toward Country Club Road, then turn left onto Country Club Road.
We're on our way to
At
work
the stop
now.
sign, turn left onto Country Club
This
Road.
is GPS. But the good part about it, she's only 8 minutes.
You're back online. You should reach your destination by 7:37 a.m.
Come on, GPS.
Continue on Country Club Road for 3/4.
This GPS just don't want me to talk. Meanwhile, what I was saying is a good thing because she's only 8 minutes away from my job, so which is good, and I'm still going to be there probably like over 20 minutes early. But I think I'm gonna stop and get some gas. Where I am going to stop and get some gas first, and then I'll be headed to work. But anyway, guys, when we get back home, we're going to start on this laundry. I hope I don't be up too late tonight, and that's why I was telling you guys that sometimes I don't take it because of my schedule, because tomorrow I have a pretty long schedule. I work 3 clients tomorrow, one 8 to noon, the next one is 1 to 3, and then I have an overnight shift that I work from 10 p.m. To 6 in the morning, and I get off at 6. I go to my next client, which is the client I'm going to now, from 8 to 4. So Friday going into Saturday is going to be pretty hectic for me. So that's why sometimes I'm able to pick up the laundry. But I am glad that I do have these extra hours, because what we're all about over here is getting out of debt, and that's what we're all about. So eventually we're gonna be homeowners. But anyway, guys, I will see you when I get back to the house and start on the laundry. Good morning. It is 6:36 a.m. I got up a little earlier. Well, not because I'm going to be doing Spark, but because we're going to be dropping off the laundry that we picked up on yesterday, and then I'll be headed to work by 8. So come along with me as we go drop off this young lady's laundry. Guys, I know it's a little dark. It's early in the morning, and this young lady, she lives in a wooded area. There's like trees all around her home. I'll be back once you can see me. All right, guys, I got up from the wooded area. So what I was saying is that the young lady lives in a wooded area, so you couldn't really see. So now we're on our way to work, and whew, I'm tired. She lives like on a hill, so of course you saw me carrying all of them groceries, not groceries. I'm not doing Spark. The laundry on a hill. Anyway, guys, I'm glad I was able to get in a poplin order for you guys. I know some came over just because of poplin, but because of how my schedule is a lot, I was unable to do poplin. But I was finally, and actually this was a requested ordered. I have this young lady many times before.
Head northwest on Country Club Road toward Mistletoe Drive.
Come on, but the
Continue on Country Club Road for half a mile.
But the only thing, I never got to actually meet her. And this time yesterday when I picked up
you should reach your destination by 7:43 a.m.
The GPS don't want me to be great. But this time I was finally able to actually meet her after doing her laundry multiple times. And I'm also glad that I was able to get into bed by midnight, I kept saying, I'm like, oh my God, please, Lord, let me be able to get into bed at least by midnight, because I knew I had to be to work today. I work 8 to 3, and then I come
In
home.
1,000 feet, turn right onto Shoe Lane.
And then I do an overnight shift from 10 to 6 in the morning and go straight to my regular client from 8 to 4. So I know I didn't want to be up all night because I didn't want to be too sleepy at
At
work.
the stop sign, turn right onto Shoe Lane.
Anyway, guys, I want to say thank you for always popping in, supporting my channel, helping my channel to grow, If you like the video, please thumbs up the video. And always, if you would like to be a part of Mom on a Mission family, please come be a part. It is definitely free to subscribe. And I'll try to get out another Poplin laundry order as quick as I can. But for the next couple of weeks, it's going to be kind of busy work-wise. And then I'm going out of town.
In a quarter mile,
so,
keep right.
But I'll definitely try to get one in when I can, especially if it's a small one. But this one was pretty big order. Not as big as some that keep me up to like 3 in the morning. I finished hers at 11:33 p.m. last night, which I was so happy because I kept saying, God, please allow me to be in my bed by midnight.
Continue for 3 miles.
So anyway, I done went off to something else. I supposed to have been closing out the video. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you all for stopping by, and I will see you guys in the next video. You guys be blessed. Don't forget, if you made it this far in the video, give me a heart down in the comment box, description box.